So setting something up and they're measuring stuff, so don't go anywhere near their cones. They're setting something up for some kind of training. Don't go in and out of the cones like you just did. You can go around them, like around here where we drove through, but do not go anywhere near those cones. Okay?
Okay, that's
so yeah, we're getting some time in right now. He's been practicing for the last like day and a half at home, but he's kind of getting a little bored going just in a straight line, like, you know, on the street. So I told him I'll take him to you know, over here to the park, and what we'll do is we'll try and just get a little different setup, you know, a different look, so he can get in there and try to do some maneuvering and just have a different scenery for his little pocket bike. Anyways, guys, we out here, man. We out here, and I'm gonna let them have some fun. And then we were gonna go to bike night tonight. We was gonna go to the bike night. I think I'm still gonna go. I was gonna take him, but he really wanted to ride his bike. And I did see a couple of kids. Uh-oh, he went a little wide. I did see a couple of kids at the bike night that were riding their little pocket bikes, but he's just learning, and I think it's kind of dangerous to be out in the parking lot because it's not a closed event. It's in like an academy parking lot, and I just think it might be a little dangerous since he just started. So we decided to take him here, and then once we're done with here, I'll head back, and then I'll probably head to bike night tonight, more than likely. liking the bike, man? Yeah. That's good.
Wish I could go farther.
Huh?
Wish I could go farther than this.
Farther? What do you mean?
Turn
This boy just wants to go. He just wants to go ride, man. And I'm trying to like corral him. He's like, I want to go further. I'm like, dude, just ride your bike, man. So definitely, we picked up this MotoTec. I got this bike. It is a MotoTec 36 volt, the electric version there, and I picked it up mainly because I was a little hesitant about getting the motorized one. They did. Actually, no. Okay, so they have two different ones. They have this 36 volt one, and then they have a 48 volt one. The 48 volt one is 1,000 watt. This is outside. Stay Kingston. Trying to tell them to stay on the outside. But this was the 36 volt 500 watt MotoTec, and then they have a 48 volt. They have a 48 volt. They've got a 48 volt 1,000 watt version. I think what we're gonna do is that he's gonna be ready to move up pretty soon. After a couple months here, man, he'll be ready to go faster. He's already maxed it out, I think. But he's just working on his maneuvering, so I think we might go with that 48 volt because it's bigger and I know it's faster and actually has speed modes on it. Or we'll try to find, like, I was thinking maybe like an X15 or something, or X19. Those are kind of big for him right now. It's a 7. But I'm thinking of something maybe a little bigger, possibly even a dirt bike, because he's showing signs of wanting to ride dirt bikes too. So I think probably I think I'm gonna try to get him signed up for dirt bike lessons as well. He's gonna have fun, man. This kid needs to get out and do these things, so it's gonna be pretty cool to see him get better. He's already trying to get faster. He's already trying to get faster.